What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and again, we are checking in from SeaWorld Orlando to see what the progress is like for Kraken Unleashed, Infinity Falls, the Dolphin Nursery, and anything else we run into. Let's head inside and check it all out. Well, we have made our way through security, but unfortunately, only one person is taking tickets over here, so this is going to take a little while. Alright, I take that back. We got through real quick because they opened up 2 more lanes right after I said that, so good job, SeaWorld. Alright, so first stop of the day is going to be the Dolphin Nursery, and we have some new progress right up here. So we have speakers that have been installed. We also see some new design for the architecture there. And we're going to walk around, see if we can notice anything else. New signage is up around the park, and this is the park's new marketing strategy right here. What's next is now. We can see Electric Ocean, Kraken Unleashed, Pop, and Dolphin Nursery all coming this year. Sea Fire Grill, and we still have the construction walls right over here while this remains open. So something's going on. Hopefully maybe some new additions. I don't know. We'll see. Seven Seas Food Festival is all done, and all the signage is gone from around the park and the booths. But the booths still remain. Very soon though, I'm expecting these are going to be leaving. Sky Tower. And is it open? Nope. Not today. Time now to check on Kraken Unleashed. And whoa, big changes, guys. I can already see a lot just right off the bat. We have a little testing too. Even better. Check this out. Front entry sign. Starting to see a tentacle on there, looking more and more like an octopus. Scaffolding all over the place over here. And no more Kraken, of course. But we did see a test just a second ago. Let's look around and see what else we can find. Here we can see all sorts of scaffolding again, and workers getting some of the texture on right now. So we should see some new coloring on these rocks. Some workers are up in the station right now doing the test runs. We know they've done a commercial shoot, and that is all done. So hopefully some soft openings are going to happen soon. In fact, we have heard it could be early as next week.
Really put in all the details, everything good. Right now you just kind of
Now when the ride reopens, it will be the first attraction here at SeaWorld with virtual queue technology, which means you will not have to wait in a regular line, and it'll save your spot. And there we have it, guys. A couple people in the front row with the headsets on. Lucky.
Such as glasses, cameras, wallets, hats. Should ensure that it is proper. Certain shoes must be worn on the line.
Nothing new on this side of the station that we can see, at least inside. Same lighting, everything else like that. And hopefully we're going to get a couple more tests here soon. New for 2017 here at SeaWorld Orlando is Pop, and we have two showings, 2 and 4 o'clock, and today is opening day for it. And check this out, off to the side over here, we have new stanchions for Electric Ocean also, which is going to be the summer show here. Lights, dancing, and then here's the Nautilus Theater with that new sign for Pop.
If your drink has a leak cap or top, do feel free to bring it in.
Of SeaWorld animals, with a fascinating artistry of the world-renowned bubble legend, Fan Yang.
Ladies and gentlemen, 19-time Guinness Book World Record holder, Fan Yang.
Palace Theater, we have a couple different things that are new. We have this gentleman blowing bubbles. They have merchandise, Shamu bubble blowers, and then purchase bubble photo here. What is that? This is awesome. So brand new, and it's be in a bubble experience. So they put a chair down, and they have a wand here, and it makes a bubble. They take a photo, and you can purchase it right there. So here we can see 2 adults, 2 children can actually go inside. That's really kind of neat. So they have this wand that goes down, gets the solution, brings it up over the top, and boom, you have bubbles. And you're magically clean too.
Yeah.
Time now for Infinity Falls update, and unfortunately Sky Tower is closed, but we have some new graphics over here for the ride. So we have the raft right there saying summer 2018, and the whole area is very, very bare. No trees whatsoever, everything has been cleared out. Again, we have those electric ocean stanchions right over here, and then more signage all the way down that way. Directly across from the walls, we have here inside the pond a retention fence, and this is to keep debris, dirt, other stuff out from the main center of the pond. I don't know if they're going to be doing anything special over here, but there's got to be a reason for all this. Round 1, fight! Well guys, that is going to do it for another SeaWorld Orlando construction update, and as we saw, Kraken Unleashed, a whole bunch of new work is going on at the entrance. We did have some testing today with employees who are trying out the VR system. Should have some soft openings very, very soon for that, and we'll let you know when that happens. Infinity Falls had a couple walls up and some graphics on them. Of course, we have Manta doing a flyby, and the Dolphin Nursery is looking really good as well. We're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.